SPSS is software for editing and analyzing all sorts of data. You can download it on IBM website. But firstly, you should create an IBM account to do this, and to have a trial license of IBM SPSS in a period of 30 days. Now, on IBM website, navigate and click on View All Product. You can type and find IBM SPSS statistics, or click directly on this product if you see it. On the next screen, click on Try It Now. For the first time, you must create an account. Fulfill your email, your name, password, etc. Then, select your county, province, your phone number, etc. And click on Create Account. An email will be sent to you. You should check email by collecting the code to activate your IBM account. Fulfill the code and click Create Account. Now, you had an IBM account. Access again to SPSS product on IBM website. Now, you can download the official version at IBM SPSS Statistics. Select the right version for your operating system of Windows or Mac OS. We finish here the video. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't hesitate to leave your comments, these will inspire us to create more videos. See you soon in the next videos.